Alright, today we will make some Argon pyramids. So it's epoxy glue, it's have different kind, can be transparent. Transparent looks better. So, okay. So, you can use everything that you have at home. So, it will be a form of pyramid. So, it's just for example. Actually, you can use anything you have. And we have some crystals, big variety of different crystals and metals. So basically have a moon stones, planeteid and whatever, ice stones. So basically it's no limit of cost of your pyramid. You can use diamonds, silver, gold, whatever. Depends what is your budget. So basically for all of us it costs less than $100, maybe 65 bucks, let's say. I just try to find the cheapest products I can. So it's a cuprum and ferrum and also some special sand with the crystals. So to make it more convenient. Basically, it's where we will put our form and put a glue inside. So any form you can find, you can use it. Okay, you can see it.
Alright, so just repeat quickly what it needed for. So basically somehow when we put in a solid substance different kind of crystals, it worked like, I cannot say for sure, absorb all of the negative waves around or reject it. Basically people who practice meditation and like really sensitive to the energy around, so probably will feel like a quite positive effect. At least I feel it on myself. So basically all influence from different kind of waves like radio waves, microwaves, Wi-Fi waves.
So basically we have a powder from different crystals, have small pieces and big pieces, and everything works and works differently. So you can use like literally everything, and form can be pyramid with 3 or 4 sides or round one. Basically it doesn't matter what form you use. You can put a crystal what will be go from your shape, or you put it inside. Everything works well but differently. Okay, we just mix ingredient 1 with ingredient 2 and just mix it up. So after it will be very solid. So you can put like different layers. First one like cuprum, ferrum, different crystals, or you can mix just everything. So this time we'll just mix it up, everything we have, just put everything. Garnet, and this one peridot. So we put like different stones. And quartz, most important is quartz. amethyst. So a lot of different stones you put inside.
There may be some influence from energy of other people. It will be absorbed by these simple pyramids, but basically I guess shape not really matter, but I just made it for the example. So when it will be inside a epoxy glue, maybe stay for a few hours and get dry and get solid. That's it. This will be ready to use, so you can put it in a house somewhere. And of course, it's bigger size is better, it works, but I just make a small one just for example. And also what kind of crystal we'll use, because different crystal they have different quality. So for sure we need a quartz, and also we use the moonstones. I found in small pieces what quite cheap, I would say, from somewhere from Asia or from Africa, the cheapest one. And then it's ready, you can put it and check it how it works. As I said again, people who are really sensitive, they will feel the effects quite quickly, like better sleep, or a little bit more energy, feel more relaxed, feel something like that. Kind of personal protection. And also small one, you can always carry it with you as well, like talisman, let's say.